May buntag ba? I don't know. I want to do Bisaya vlog today, but the thing is, dansa ko in English. Anyway, padong ko kuan. Siguro anyway, kuan ko nang anyway na ba? Padong ko gawas kay mag-check mga gitara. So I'm gonna check out some guitars because I'm planning to buy a guitar for my birthday. Well, gift to Laura. And yeah, gotta decide because I can't decide. Kanang di man ko may mo gitara, but I want the Maton Mini, but it's really too expensive. I'm gonna try out some Yamahas at the moment and see and think and see how I go. Anyway, gotta go. Let's go. So nag-try ko sa kong Osmo Pocket 3 for a lot of vlogs. I really love that camera, but the thing is lately nakita na ko nga kanang grabe ang highlights sa naong, and I don't like editing it. This one I'm getting used to the LCD and sa kong A7 V. So yeah, let's go. So usasad is I need to learn looking into the lens, not looking into the screen, which is in the side here. Kay conscious ko sa kung kuan, but I need to get used to it. Yeah, muna siya. I don't know what's going on with the vlog today. Don't really know. But let's just do the vlog. So yeah, exchange sata. So yeah, mana akong 10 cents karon and we're good. So diri kog Maton guitars nga shop there sa Box Hill. Just check out some guitars niya. Maghimo mo sa guitars dito today. Thing is the dog was so cute. Na ay blue staffing ang idol na ako niya. Simut-simut sa kong tiil. And yeah, I was at Billy Hyde Music earlier. And now, asan man ko? Mag-thanks ako asa ko ba dong. It's been a while, Box Hill. Balik sa Tangare. It's been a while. Yes, Box Hill Junction, and they fixed the tram area. Yep, tram station. Hinumdaw na ko na yung lugar. Yep. Kabawas ako. Pero, kuhaan ka na pictures sa film. So why? It's just a day after, and it's just nighttime already. And yeah, I just don't understand. Wala ko pa sa patungkol sa akong point aning video. And then I was out and about that afternoon, which I didn't film. Yeah, I see kita ko mga tao na sa park and they're walking their dogs, and yeah, everything was good. They're in the park, the grass was green, the weather was good, they're out and about meeting people, and so I realized that I spend most of my times here at home stressing on the things that I need to do, stressing on the things that I need to finish, which are not done. I'm free though, because the thing is, I'm my own business. But the problem is, every time there's no like day off, like there's no time off. Because kung nag-work ko for like when I was working in the city, like an admin assistant, thing is, every time after 5 I could just stop and go home and relax. But what's happening now, because I'm doing a lot of my photography and videography in this business, I go home and I still think about the things na akong i-edit. And that's not a good way to live. Like, it's just like, sige lang kong hustle, sige lang think of trabaho. Even though if I'm home, I'm still thinking of work. And I'm stuck here in the house most of the time, just trying to think na ma-finish na akong work. And with this thing that I think I have, basing na ako ADHD, thing is, I can't finish all the things at once. So I need to do something. I need to take control of my life. I need to get these things done and have more time for myself. And that's what, I don't know, kanang nikalit lang sulod sa kong mind na I'm not living the best of my life. I'm not living the best quality of life, because the thing is, I'm just stressing on things that I need to do. Although we need to stress, but wala time nga I have a downtime, like yeah, mura ka nang wala ko nag-work like before, nag-work ko 9 to 5, and then when I go home wala ko yun naon. I go home, okay na. But now I go home, I stress. I think about things that I need to finish, things that I need to do, things that I need to do tomorrow, and all that. So I don't want that. I want my quality of life to be better. So what I'm thinking is, since my birthday is gonna be in 2 days, I've started it though. I'm gonna do a lifestyle change. So I've started like choosing who I deal with, like some friends that I deal with, friends that that stresses me out, or friends that doesn't make me feel fine. Stay away, cut them. Make new friends. Learn from your friends and your new friends. Share and have time for yourself. Just go out, although this would chat at times, but I'm gonna try go out, see the outdoors. Yeah, especially I'm in Melbourne. This is a very good place. This is a very nice place. Say mga parks, na mga reserves, where you can just spend your time alone or with your friends. So in saying that, I haven't been maximizing the things that I can have. So right now I'm just sad. But the thing is, we're gonna change that next year. So I'm turning 40 plus, 40, whatever. We're gonna make life better. We're gonna make things better. We're gonna take care of ourselves, and we're gonna choose what's best for us. So I'll try. I'll try to promise myself, and that's it. Alam mo kayo.
Then
It just came out of my head. Like, I need to change my lifestyle, make the most out of my life. Anyway, bye. Mag-edit ko balik. Bye.